Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Police Teach Enormous Bully She Doesn't Make the Rules.
On May 28, 2025, officers responded to a call of a domestic dispute.
Damn!
Away from each other now.
You seen this shit?
Give me a second, I'll come talk to you. I'm gonna
Look at my
speak to you in a
face.
second. Let's go over here. Let's go over here.
Henry,
I'm out with the female. He's walking south towards Greenbrier.
he got my iPad. He got my shit in his house.
We'll talk about it. Come over
Where my
here.
iPad
Come
at?
over here.
Where my iPad?
Hang out here. We're gonna go talk over here.
Where my iPad?
Ma'am, let's go talk. We're gonna figure out your iPad, but let's get over here. I need you to come and talk with me over here.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Just stay separated for me. I can only handle one thing at a time.
She said anything about her mother iPad and shit. None of her shit is right there on top
I'll
of that.
figure all that out, but I
Where my
can't.
iPad at?
You just had my house. You can't come back over here.
Sit at the back of my car.
Look, I'm okay, love, but I feel good. Her bag right
No, he's gonna try to break my stuff,
I
ma'am.
can't do anything to
let him
help
walk
you
away.
until you talk to me.
Okay, well, don't let him walk away.
We have multiple
You
other
let him walk
officers.
away. No,
Ma'am,
you let him.
Ma'am,
He gonna break my stuff.
I will help you, but I cannot until we go this way. My partner is going to be
But
here
you're gonna
in
let
2
him go.
seconds.
Okay, don't let him go to your partner. Get no way. He's gonna
He's
break.
staying right
He
here.
walking.
before they take you to jail. You better calm down.
He walking with my
Get
shit.
your bag and you leave me the fuck alone.
Stay right here.
Don't
and
go
hang out.
nowhere. Where's my
I'm a
iPad?
grown ass man.
Where my iPad at?
Right here. By your
You need
bag.
to wait, ma'am.
They saw your
He got my iPad.
We will
He got
figure
my iPad.
that out.
Man,
So you let him walk away?
Excuse
Can
me,
you
ma'am.
hurry up and get here?
You let him walk
57?
away?
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I get
I'm
a
not
bag?
doing shit till he don't move.
I'm
He got
sorry.
my shit.
I know you are. I'm trying to make
He
you
got my
guys
shit.
separate
Right,
from
right.
each other
I'm trying to-
because
I'm
when I
trying to-
pull up, you're on top of each other.
He got my
No,
shit.
she had my hair.
He
You
got
see
my
it?
shit.
I will get it back. You need to stop pulling away
Hey,
from
watch
me.
out, bro. Let me go.
Stop.
She's gonna take you to jail.
Let me go.
I need you to
Let me
stop.
go.
Oh, wait.
Let me go.
Stop.
Let me go.
Stop.
Let me
Then
go.
you walk away now.
Okay.
I'm sick of yelling at both of you.
Give me my shit.
You're going to be detained and
me
handcuffed
my
if you do
shit.
not stay separate from
He
him.
got
I'm
my
sick of
shit.
yelling at you.
He got my shit.
We will get it back. I need you to talk
Really?
to me. Talk to me. I'm trying to help you. What happened? What happened? I'm
He
trying
got
to
his
help
finger
you.
in my eye.
Okay, so talk to me.
I was sitting out here trying to leave.
Okay.
He was antagonizing me. Hit me in my
Okay.
face. He busted my lip and hit me in my face. So the only
Okay.
thing I did was pull his
Okay.
head.
So can I tell you something? Someone called us and said that they saw him just beating your ass.
He was.
Okay, so that's why I'm trying to talk to you, because I'm trying to help you. I can't do shit if you're both still yelling at each other. Do you know what I'm saying? You need an ambulance. Your face is messed up. Who is he to you? Who is he to you? Probably. I can't get anything. Someone needs to talk to. I think he maybe saw it. Thank you. All right. So who is he to you? Who is he to you? Can we sit down in your car so you can just take a breath?
We get my stuff.
Right now, he's being detained. He can't go anywhere. But I can't keep detaining him if I have nothing to detain him on. So I need you to come sit down and talk to
He
me.
said right here beating my ass. And I was trying to leave.
Okay.
And you sit out here and
I have a seat on your car. I need to ask you a bunch of questions, and I can't help you until I figure out what's going on. Who is he to you?
my boyfriend.
He's your current boyfriend?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're sitting in your car. Where do you
Trying to
live?
leave. I don't even live here.
Where does he live? He lives here. So you are sitting here. You were trying to leave. And then what happened?
He started antagonizing me, hitting me.
What was he doing that for?
Because I was trying to leave.
Okay. He didn't want you to leave?
No.
Okay. What happened after he started hitting you?
He just started hitting me and I kept trying to leave. And then
Okay.
he just punched me.
And then
so
what
I started
happened?
grabbing his head. Ain't nothing wrong with his
Okay.
face. I didn't even hit him.
So then what? You're yelling about an iPad, and so tell me about that.
I was leaving out trying to go. He threw my bag on the roof.
Okay. We'll
He
get
threw
it.
my iPad.
We'll get it. We had a bunch of people that saw this happen, so I believe everything you're saying. I just need to know what
He
happened.
threw my
because-
bag on the roof
We'll
when I
get
was
it
trying
back.
to leave. He threw my shoes over there. He took my... He was just antagonizing me so I wouldn't leave. He wouldn't let me close the door and leave.
Okay. All right.
He
Have
got
a-
his finger in my eye.
Yeah, your face is super messed up. That's why we called an ambulance. Because you might need to go to the hospital. You got swollen eyes. You got scratches on your face. And your lip is busted. When I got here, you were holding on to his hair. Is that because he was hitting you or what? Okay. Okay. We're going to figure it out. We're going to help you. And we're going to get your stuff back. I can only do one thing at a time.
What's going on, my man?
She was, they only just saw her hitting me. Now she acting crazy with her. I don't want her to go to jail.
Okay.
She was pulling my hair and hitting me and stuff. You can ask neighbors, they don't call the police.
Okay.
I'm trying to get her to calm down so I can get her bag. Her bag is right here.
Okay.
She don't want to listen because she think I got her iPad and stuff. Her stuff is all outside, though.
Okay, I got you. I mean,
Yeah, you want me to go with me to grab her
no,
bag?
I got you, man. Just hang tight right now. We're going to talk to the neighbor.
This is my girlfriend.
Okay.
She was finna go. She spit on me and stuff.
Okay.
She wanna pull in my hair.
Okay.
That's what they just caught.
What is your name, man?
What was that?
She won't let go of his hair.
So what exactly
I
happened?
was just walking the dog. When I left to walk the dog,
Okay.
she's like trying to get him in like choke lock, but he was much taller, so she's like pulling on his hair, and he's like, "Let me go, let me go."
Okay.
I came around the corner, and she still had a hold of his hair, but he was like on top of her, but like not on her. He's like trying to hold himself up while she's got his hair.
Okay.
And the whole time up till you guys got here, she was pulling on that shit.
Do you know what was wrong with her face? Or why she's bleeding and stuff like that?
No, probably from when, I'm guessing, she was trying to like give him a headlock, pull his hair as I was walking.
Okay.
Guessing they both went down.
Okay.
And she still had a hold of his hair, so she couldn't, I didn't see her hit her or nothing.
So you didn't see him strike her?
No.
But you saw him or her pull him?
Yeah,
pull
the
on
whole
him?
time she had a hold of his hair trying to pull that.
This case gonna take a turn, boy. If the witnesses is saying one thing, now I don't know the rest of the story, but just based off of both of them, the two people that's actually involved, I believe her story a little bit more because she does have some injuries and stuff or whatever. And the guy, his story, he's like, well, I was just trying to get her bag. Her bag is up here. Well, how did the bag get up there? You see, and from the story of the lady, it explains how the bag gets up there because he was mad. Her story just makes sense. She was about to dip out. He got mad. He took her stuff, threw it on the roof. You know what I'm saying? It makes sense. But we see what the bystanders are saying. The bystanders are saying that she was the one hitting him. Now obviously she was hit a few times. You can see her shit is all, he knocked the wig off. You know what I'm saying? Like her shit is all crazy. So I'm curious to see how the cops is gonna, how everything is gonna unravel with this investigation here.
Shit out.
Okay.
And that's all I kept hearing and seeing was, let go of my hair, let go of my hair.
Okay.
I've had to almost cuff her already.
Where are you going? I am giving you a lawful order to stand over there. Go over there. I'm giving you a lawful order. Go over there. I'm giving you a lawful order. I'm giving you a lawful order.
Tiana.
You got
All right, yep.
Put your hands behind your back.
Tiana,
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
See, and she's acting like the aggressive one. See?
Yeah. Calm down. Rest your hands.
Tiana, let go of the cuff. Let go of the cuff.
Let go of the cuff.
Tiana, let go of the cuff. Let go of the cuff.
Let go of the cuff.
Tiana, let go.
She's holding on to one of her cuffs. Here, you got another cup? I got this.
Tiana, this is uncalled for.
Go to the ground with her so we're not.
Come on, Tiana. You're hurt. We don't want to have you hurt anymore. Come on. Relax. Tiana, I don't want to hurt your wrist. Tiana, I don't want to hurt your wrist.
Someone scoop her legs.
No, we got
It's fine. Just get a cuff on her.
I got her.
Yep.
I got this. I got this.
Moving. All right.
Someone sweep the legs, bro.
No, we're good.
No, we're going to get the cuffs on her arm.
Look at your hands.
There we go.
You're fine. Rest your hands.
Tiana, stop.
There you go.
Rest your hands.
There you go. Just get it over. You get it. You get it.
I did. I picked him up. Let me go.
You lock it.
I got it.
Let me go.
Just take a deep breath. Try to calm down. You can't. We're past that now, okay?
Sadie. Let me go.
We're past that, okay?
Go.
We're past that. Whose car are we going to?
Let me
Walk. Walk, Tiana. We're not playing this game.
Somebody open the car. Come on in, quick car.
Forky.
You gotta open the car. Here,
That's a sergeant.
You got anything?
no, it's not. All right.
Let's just get her out of this situation.
Let me go.
No, get in the car. Get in the car.
Let me go.
We're gonna pick you up and put you in the car if you don't get in. Yeah.
Let me go. Let me go.
The woman was charged with domestic battery and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today's.
Wow. Yeah, see? Even though her story does make sense, her actions, right, is showing that she's aggressive with the police. So that's showing that she's, you know, she has that aggressive tendency. In the combination of the civilians, the bystanders, not seeing him strike her, it's game over. You know what I'm saying? Game over. I think the cops did a good job, man. Damn. Hopefully my boy get away from her. Whew. Anyway, I get officers 4 out of 5. They did pretty good. Honestly, what I agree with the other officer where he was like, sweep the legs, take her to the ground so they could get, you know, more leverage. I do kind of agree with that. But then on the other hand, keeping her up might be good if they could get her cuffed, which they did, just because picking her up off the ground is going to be a whole other hassle. You know what I'm saying? So having all that weight on the ground like that and then having to gift her back up from in a standing position from the ground is be a lot harder, you know? So, but anyway, so 4 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.